key point. This is the area that's going to get hit by the most climatic change from like winds and all that. So we've built a lot of wind barriers. We've also built erosion control, as well as these help block the wind as well, the mangoes that we have here. And by placing them in the diamond pattern, we are able to be more efficient with the use of our land, because a lot of times people will just come and place plants just all around in just whatever order they want. It's very important to know the intrinsic values as well as the physical characteristics of plants, noticing for space and time. So when these were planted, they were very small, but over the course of 15, 16 years as this property has been maturing, so have these trees. So we have to constantly come in and kind of prune some of the bigger branches, but we will always have this as our mango forest, because mangoes, as we know, can live for hundreds of years, and they can get they can get like 100 feet tall. They're just massive. We could also use this to grow mushrooms. We could also, as you can see how we have coffee, we have certain smaller bushes in these light gaps and certain palms, like the pitay, or no, what's it called? Pahibaye over there, growing in kind of the different light gaps. We placed them so close together in this one, and not as much can grow in between them, because we wanted to stop erosion. That was our main thought, and also kind of create a barrier and a cooler microclimate for the other parts of the property around it. So as we go a little bit lower, we will start to just transition into different types of forests. So we have a jackfruit forest, which we've intercropped with African oil palms, as well as other types of palms, and other experimental cacao, as well as some coffee that we also have down there, mixed along with nitrogen fixers to kind of constantly boost the nitrogen of the soil.